Most people get crypto exchanges wrong by assuming they all work the same, but the surprising truth is that Bitso offers a unique mix of accessibility, security, and local payment options, especially for Latin America. Today, I'll share my personal usage experience. Bitso allows users to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and USD. One of its standout features is support for local currencies and payment methods, which makes it easier to deposit funds compared to some global exchanges. Most people get this wrong by assuming international exchanges are always best. Bitso is particularly convenient if you're in Mexico, Argentina, or Brazil. When I tested the platform, the interface was clean and beginner-friendly. You can quickly deposit funds, place market or limit orders, and track your portfolio. The exchange also offers a mobile app that's fast and responsive, ideal for checking prices and managing trades on the go. Security is solid. Bitso uses two-factor authentication, encrypted storage, and regulatory compliance to protect users. While no exchange is completely risk-free, my experience was smooth and secure. Fees are transparent, with trading fees varying by volume. They are competitive with other regional exchanges, and I found it easy to calculate costs before executing trades. Bitso also offers educational resources and staking options, which is great for beginners looking to earn passive income on crypto holdings. The main limitation is that it's primarily focused on Latin American markets. Users outside the region can still use it, but local payment options may be limited. In conclusion, Bitso is a strong choice for anyone looking for a secure, user-friendly exchange with local payment support. Most people get this wrong by overlooking regional exchanges. They can be more convenient and cost-effective than global platforms. Subscribe for more honest crypto exchange reviews to help you trade smarter, stay safe, and maximize your investment potential.